Yo, salut à toutes et à tous, on se retrouve dans une toute nouvelle vidéo dans The Walking Dead Saints and Sinners. Aujourd'hui les amis, on va toujours continuer ce que Casey nous dit. On va continuer les missions que nous avons à faire. Donc c'est parti, dans l'épisode précédent dans The Walking Dead. C'était un long épisode. On est parti à la recherche de Kenneth. Du coup, c'était, on va dire, l'ami de Casey. On l'a vu. Il est en vie, bien évidemment. On est revenu parler à Casey pour lui raconter tout ça. Donc, on va dire qu'il était ravi de savoir qu'il était en vie. Des zombies. Waouh. Bon, on va le remettre à sa place. On va voir ce qu'on a à faire. And the waterfall key from me. Bon, mais, ok. Ok les gars. Donc là on a l'arc, on a les boyaux. On a plusieurs. On va mettre ça. Comme ça c'est bien rangé. Maintenant on va voir pour les munitions. Bon. Ouais. Munitions, c'est parfait. Ok. Et on va prendre j'aime bien. On arrive bien à viser avec de loin. C'est parfait. Oh là là, je suis trop con. Oh là là, j'ai fait une connerie. D'accord. Bon, celui-là, les gars, je vais le recycler. Parce que du coup, il sert à plus à rien. Ou à moins que, ben, vous savez quoi, je vais le ranger juste ici. Ouais. Attendez, je vais juste prendre l'arme. On va le ranger juste derrière nous. On va voir ce que Casey va nous dire.
Casey, you there?
Hello Casey.
Casey, you there?
Ah.
Casey, you there? Casey, you there?
Bon les gars, d'accord, ok. Il y a peut-être un petit truc, ou bien il faut que je fais cette mission d'abord. Donc c'est parti. Les shadows. Juste ici. Donc c'est parti. Ok. On est là.
Shit, someone's close.
Oh, ils m'ont fait peur quand même. Attendez les gars, je sais pas c'est laquelle exactement. Attendez parce que vous voyez là, on est ici.
Think it's wise to be wandering around?
Drawings.
That asshole down to the ground.
Let's put a hurt on this shithead.
Oh là là.
Oh yeah! This kill
Like these
Oh oh, 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 les gars, regardez ce qu'on a maintenant. Ça, c'est parfait. Oh, je pense que c'est lui. Oh, voilà, voilà.
These things just keep coming. Nothing better.
Parfait les gars. J'aime bien cette arme. Elle est magnifique. Je n'ai rien à dire là-dessus. Ouais. Donc on va essayer d'un petit peu d'économiser les balles. Attendez, on va mettre ça ici pour le moment. Parce que là j'essaie de... Oh là là. Il prend 50 balles à mourir. Ok. Oui, vas-y toi. Ok. On a la maison les gars, on doit la trouver, du coup c'est celle-là. Je pense. Ouais, il n'y a qu'une seule maison ici. Elle est bien barricadée, je trouve. Oh les gars, ils ont beaucoup d'armes. Hein.
Kid yourself.
What was that?
I see you. Georgia calls the shots now.
Les gars, comment je vais faire pour les tuer là?
Yeah.
Oh les gars, je vais mourir. Oh là là. Oh là 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 là. Cours. J'ai fait n'importe quoi les amis, j'ai fait n'importe quoi. Le mec, n'importe quoi. Faut que je me soigne. Oh, j'ai plus de soins, les amis, j'ai plus de soins. Allez, il me reste comme 2 balles. Deux balles à peine. Aïe 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 aïe. On va voir ce qu'on peut faire. Je vais prendre mon arc. J'espère qu'il crève lui. Oh, j'arrive plus à prendre. Oh là, oh là là, oh là là, les gars, je fais n'importe quoi. Non. Oh non. Les mecs, j'ai fait n'importe quoi. On va manger. Allez. Ok. Là, je vais prendre celui-là, les gars, je suis obligé. On va prendre l'arc. Il est à nous. Celui-là, si on peut. Oh, ok, j'en ai tué juste un seul par contre. Et là c'est... On va avoir un petit problème les amis. J'ai presque plus de vie. Faut que je me soigne mais j'ai rien. Oh là là. Les mecs c'est mauvais. Les gars, je crois que je vais bouger. Je vais ramener directement un petit peu de soin. Aïe. Je vais rentrer à la maison, les gars. Je peux pas, les gars. Le havre de repos, les gars. Allez. Ça commence très mal, les gars. Ça commence très mal. Allez, dépêche. On va directement prendre du soin. On va craft une arme ou deux. Et on retourne directement. Le soin. C'est assez, là je vais me soigner avec celui-là et je vais en garder deux du coup dans le sac parce que j'en aurais peut-être besoin. J'ai besoin de munitions du coup. Tac. Chier. Oh. Oh yeah. C'est pas bon les gars. C'est pas bon. Je crois les gars on est prêts. Là il fait nuit du coup forcément on fera les torches de lumière. Bon allez. Déjà le jour 17 les gars c'est trop. D'accord. Ok, on va directement même endroit, espérant même endroit de chance. Et espérons cette fois-ci on a plus de chance parce que on est parti sur un mauvais départ, on va dire. Donc là, j'ai normalement ce qu'il faut.
Shit. Someone's close.
Il revient là.
Fuck you and your stupid idols!
Time for the tower to fall!
Upside down!
We got a freak on the loose!
We that asshole down to the ground.
You tower fucker! Shit!
Let's take this one down!
Cover!
Ah, il s'est fait manger, il s'est fait manger.
Piece of shit!
Tower bills are pissing me off.
Par contre, les gars, mon pistolet. Il est où mon pistolet, les gars? Eh non.
Into your tower skull!
Got my back.
Bon, les gars, je vous dis, je suis avec eux. Tant qu'ils tuent les autres là, moi ça me dérange pas.
Hold my hand!
Cover me!
Lui là-bas, il a. Très bien, très bien, très bien, très bien. On prend le reste. Comme ce. Ouais, oui, oui, oui. Bon les gars, on va faire le tour sûrement. Avec eux. Allez, allez, faut les tuer, faut les tuer. Allez, allez, s'il te plaît, s'il te plaît. Bien joué, bien joué, bien joué. Faut juste prendre l'arme cassée. Ah, ils m'ont touché, je crois. Eh oui. C'est tout bon, hein. Franchement. Donc là... C'est ça, les amis, c'est ça. Juste ici. Vous voyez? Juste là.
You corpse!
Allez, hop.
Stand up for more!
Bien joué. Bien joué, bien joué, bien joué.
Lower the weapon!
Allez. Comment ça, toi? Oh, les gars, on va monter directement. Pas le temps à perdre. C'est parti. Si vous vous rappelez bien, c'était vraiment au tout début du jeu. Oui. Je vais prendre le couteau à la main. Oui. Je vais le mettre sur le pied. On monte.
Don't.
What a piece of shit you are!
You messed up starting shit with us today! Let's take this asshole down!
Oh non. Oh, j'ai fait n'importe quoi. Ouais, les gars. Vous voyez, c'est pour ça, moi, je vous dis... faut toujours ramener une arme avec. Ouais, bon. Encore, je me soigne. Ok. Oh, ok. Petite boîte de munitions. Oh là 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 là. Ça, les gars. Ça, c'est quoi? Ouais. Ouais. Ok, ça, j'ai compris. Celui-là aussi, j'ai compris c'est quoi. Ouais, c'est terrible. On va les utiliser, les amis. Non. Vous savez quoi, on va les utiliser juste en cas de besoin. On ne sait jamais. Allez. Juste en cas de besoin. Oh là 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 là, on a beaucoup ici. Bien. Comment on va faire? Ben voilà. Je vais pas tomber. Non. Il m'a attrapé. Ok, je montre la carte. Ouais les gars, on va passer par là. Même endroit où on est venu. On va le tester les gars. Oh, c'est très très bien. Mais les amis, je fais un carnage avec là. Oh, oh. Incroyable là. J'aime bien cette arme. Par contre, tu me tues pas, attends. Vous pensez les gars, si je le tue, il va me donner quelque chose encore? Il va me donner l'arme? Non. Il est parti trop loin. Donc... Les gars, vous approchez pas trop de ces zombies là, les gars. Et ben voilà, je l'ai cassé. Ok. On va rentrer directement. Oh bah voilà, regardez. Allez. Pas la prendre. Et là du coup j'en ai des. Pas du tout. Du coup... Oui. D'accord. Allez, on rentre. L'arbre de repos directement, bien évidemment. On est arrivé, on va voir ce qui va se passer, on va déposer directement ça dans la tombe. Et mais elle est toujours dans les bails chelous. On peut poser des bouquins.
All patrols, return to the tower after 1800 herds stir
J'ai
through the
peur les
narrow.
gars. Oh
Reserve
là là.
assault prep begins ASAP. 3 to 10 days. Hope for 10. We need fucking time. Reserve strike immediate when Loke is known. Any day it seems. During
Okay.
prep, patrol sweeps reduced to only once per day and only through the southern bump and northwest corridor. Reserve assault troops will move through there. With reserve secured and tick infected removed, should have all routes clear in 3 weeks. Back to business. Re-tick infected. List still developing. Currently at 50. Will be higher. Roundup raid for immediate exile. Anyone protest, they take the walk. No time for bullshit. Tired of feeding JB's army with dissidents. Elimination, the better option. Georgia.
Je vais dormir. Jour 18. Matin, normalement. Le truc il est allumé, on peut allumer. Exactement. C'est parti. Les gars, je comprends pas pourquoi. Moi, vous voyez, celui-là, je le mets toujours ici. Bon. Bon, déjà, les gars, on va un petit peu. Voilà. On va tout vendre, recycler. On est cassé malheureusement. On va pas parler à qui ici parce que ça ne sert à rien. Toujours le corbeau présent. Enfin, ça on va, je peux le tuer. Je vais essayer. Oh, oui. Je l'ai cassé. Eh ben.
Hey, Torst. The intel you've been gathering for me has been enlightening to say the least.
Oui.
Georgia is planning on a mass exile in the very near future. Many lives are going to be at risk. I have a few things to discuss with you. I know we were going to try to avoid the face-to-face, but the plan I'm formulating warrants it. Would appreciate your ear. Meet me in the same spot as the first time, Churchyard. Thanks for all you're doing. May.
Très bien, très bien, très bien, très bien, ça marche. Les gars, je vais prendre une petite arme quand même. Parce que là, j'ai rien, absolument rien. Ça marche, ok. Ça. Petit 9 mm, celui-là on le garde parce qu'il est bien. Ah, du soin. Comme ça, on est bon. Je vais manger. Dans le sac, tout dans le sac. Ok, c'est parti. Comme toujours, les gars, on va passer par le même endroit, par là. Tout ça, très bien. Là-bas, les gars, il y a toujours 2 zombies, 2 mecs m'attendent là-bas. 2. Donc, allez. Allumer la lumière. Faire doucement. Oh, allez. Il m'a fait peur. Cette fois-ci, on n'avait qu'un seul. Je vais pas me plaindre. Ok, on va courir ensemble. C'est un zombie, tant pis. Voilà. On est là. Les gars, je vous promets, j'avais mon pistolet. Il est là. Les gars, c'est bizarre, à chaque fois que je passe par ici, il y a un truc qui tombe de ma poche ou je ne sais pas. Bon, mais j'espère qu'elle va nous donner la clé. J'espère qu'elle va nous donner la clé, mais... Allez, salut, ça va.
Hey, Torst. I'll get right to the point. After looking over the intel you brought me, seems like Georgia is planning to toss out a large number of people real soon. A lot of lives are going to be in jeopardy. Good news is we have some hope. The map you scored shows a safe way out of NOLA. Just need to buy some time and some space to organize exiles on a large scale. Get them ready to move. I think the reserve is going to provide the opening I need. Georgia and the tower are so obsessed with it, don't think they'll be concerned with what I'm doing for a short while. And with the Reclaim salivating over it too, once the reserve is unlocked and revealed to the world, courtesy of you, there's going to be a bloodbath. You can count on that. And that's when I make my move. Window won't be open long, though. It'll be tight, but I gotta take the chance.
Sounds like this is the opportunity you've been waiting for. I think you should go for it.
Thanks for the support, Torst. It helps, especially when the mind is working out so many what-ifs. I will leave the key to the reserve in the drop spot for you. Lantern will be on when it's there. When the shit goes down for the reserve, if you're thinking it's all too much and you want out, come find us. The Exodus could use someone with your particular set of talents. My hope is you won't be a fool, but my mind suspects you'll be too hooked on that damn reserve pipe dream just like everybody else. All I can do is wish you good luck and good judgment, Tourist. Take care of yourself.
Et la clé, May. Oh. Ah, ok. Vous voyez, les gars, ça c'est... D'accord, ouais. Ok, May, merci beaucoup. On se voit très bientôt. Allez. À la prochaine, May. Donc, vous voyez, les gars, ça s'est mis à jour. Il y a écrit... avant, c'était écrit... aller chercher la clé de May. Normalement, May devait nous le donner. Mais May nous a dit que la clé va se trouver dans le même cercueil. Et nous, là, ça nous dit d'aller parler à Casey par rapport à la clé. Ou par rapport à nous. C'est parti. Oh là là. Crâne, il est... bien soudé, les gars. Il doit toujours y avoir un petit bonhomme ici. Ok, pas. Maintenant, donc tant mieux. Mon couteau. C'est parti. Allez. On va lui dire hello Casey. Il est there. Et voilà.
Casey, you there? Casey, you there?
There we go.
Casey, good news.
Good news? Hell, Tourist. I would classify that as fucking outstanding news. No, look, I don't want to jinx it, but... No, you know what? I'm gonna keep my mouth shut. Best not to risk the jinx. Let's just forge ahead. One step at a time. Okay, so, the part to repair the final pump. Gosh, I don't have much to go on. It's weird. There's been really faint chatter about it on a few channels. Been nothing but static for months. There's an outpost called Bastion, set up in a heavily defended duplex home. Barricades and optimal sightlines. The Reclaimed currently control it. Now, the place has been a hotbed of conflict between Tower and Reclaimed for a while. From what I'm hearing, that's where it is, so be ready for a shitstorm. Good luck, and hey, keep your head on a swivel.
Hey, Casey. How's it going?
Oh, hey, Tourist.
Hey, Casey. How's it going?
Oh, hey, Tourist. Honestly, I'm a little freaked out.
What's bothering you?
It's just... I'm so close to getting out of here. And the closer I get, the harder it is for me to imagine what it's going to be like out there. You know, I mean, I know it's not the same world it was before I was locked in. And I can accept that, you know? But it seems like in order to make it out there, I'm going to have to become something I'm not. Violent, ruthless, willing to hurt anyone for even looking at me sideways.
It's simple, Casey. Adapt to the violence, embrace it, or die.
Is that what you did? Huh? Or were you always the way you are? And yes, this is me freaking out a bit. But there's a big part of me that's scared to meet you face to face. I mean, look, I don't really know you, but I know what you're capable of. And frankly, it turns my stomach when I really think about it.
You'll see. I'm not scared, Casey. You just don't want to fuck with me. That's all.
Thanks for the advice. You know, I gotta hand it to you, tourist. A conversation with you is always enlightening. Even entertaining sometimes. But well, that's about all I can handle right now. I'm gonna take a few minutes to myself.
Aïe.
I'll talk to you later.
Allez. Au revoir. Bon. Travel to Bastion, find the pump regulator. Ok. Je crois que je vais quand même... pas trop... Bon. Lydia. Je ne sais pas si vous avez bien entendu ce qu'il a dit. Mais il a dit c'est un endroit très protégé. Ça va être dur. Et là je sens que je n'ai pas de choses que je peux me défendre. Bon, les mecs, c'est très dommage. C'est celle-là. Bon. Attendez, on va essayer un petit truc. On a ça. Là. Quoi cette tête là? Ça fait peur. Oh là, regardez. Allez, ça c'est bon. Hein? Pourquoi? Ouais, c'est bizarre, non? Non, non. Je sais pas. Ça ne se recycle pas. Dommage. J'ai vraiment rien du tout, je crois. Voilà. Très bien. Normalement, je peux... Oh là 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 là. C'est pas celle-là, les gars. C'est dommage. C'est dommage. Ah, c'est peut-être... Ouais, il est... C'est là. Ok, on a bien compris là. Donc là, on va... Bastion, ici. C'est parti. Oh! Allez. Alors voilà, c'était l'endroit de l'autre volet. Il pleut, une ambiance incroyable. Il y avait des gens qui étaient dehors. Et j'ai eu peur, je criais, il y avait un zombie. Il y avait des gens ici. Let's go, je pense à ce que je leur ramène ça. attendez. On va faire d'abord un petit truc. Oh. Oh non! Bon, allez-y, on va voir ça. Je vais leur ramener ça, je vais leur péter dessus. C'est là où il y a la lumière, je suppose. C'est ici. Les gars, j'ai cru que ça allait exploser. Ouais, eux ils sont mais gars, c'est quoi cet endroit de fou? Oh là là. Bah oui, du coup, c'est celle-là. Oui. C'est ici, mais j'ai l'impression qu'il n'y a personne. Bon les gars, on va chercher un petit peu ici. J'ai l'impression qu'il n'y a personne. J'espère que c'est bien le cas. Et je monte par là. Ici c'est les chiottes. Allez, allez, allez. Oh les gars, c'est vraiment incroyable ici. Les munitions. Pied de beach. Ok. Oh, on peut pas. Je peux prendre. Je peux pas prendre le pied de beach. Alors bon. Parce que c'est considéré comme une arme et du coup je peux pas la prendre. Oh là là, ok. Allez, pourquoi ça se... Reste là. Ça. Oh. Je suis déjà fou. Oh, je vais devoir sacrifier quelque chose. Allez, ça. C'est bon. S'il y a rien. Je vais vérifier ici du coup.
You made it. I didn't doubt that you would, of course, but my patience was beginning to be tested. Let's start with a formal introduction. You are the tourist, and I am Jean-Baptiste. JB for short. There now, we can proceed to matters of more profound consequence. It is my understanding that this gizmo here would be of use to you. It's all yours. Consider it a gift. And when we are finished with our conversation, I will provide you with the missing dial that you'll need to operate it. Sound fair?
Okay.
Sounds fair.
Terrific. Now, I prefer to play it straight.
Sorry, I need a moment.
Ouais, juste fermer, on sait jamais. Les gars. Ah, il va venir nous parler ou c'est comment?
I'm all in. I can focus now. Sorry.
I prefer to play it straight. Once I received word that you were collecting these devices, and to what purpose, I saw an opportunity to connect with the city's most illustrious survivor and have a chat about the reserve. So I made it a priority to acquire one, through various means I will not divulge. And now here you are. It is my hope when I am through, you will see the reserve for what it is. Nothing more than a crutch, holding back the people of this fine city from regaining themselves.
You've piqued my interest. Go on.
I am a firm believer in the greatness of humankind, our ingenuity, our art, our towering scientific achievements. This reserve nonsense, even if the rumors about what may be inside it exceed our wildest dreams, the bounty will only prolong our addiction to survivalism as the only path in life. It will stifle our creativity. It will eventually lead to our withering doom. Now, this is the proposal that I have for you. Continue your search for the reserve, and when you unearth it, which I have the utmost confidence you will, destroy it. These 4 numbers will disable the entire flood contingency system. Mother Nature will rage through the reserve and take care of the rest.
Pourquoi il me donne ça?
1006. Flood the reserve and set us all free. Give this still glorious city the jump start it needs to refocus on something much grander than mere survival. Grant us hope, tourist, and thank you, most sincerely, for hearing me out. And let's keep this chat between us, if that's all right.
No.
I'm not sure my comrades would see the big picture benefits of removing the reserve from the equation. The floor's now yours, my friend. Anything on your mind that requires clarity?
I want your perspective on the reserve.
Uh-huh.
How did you find this code to flood the reserve?
One of my scouts came across the corpse of a National Guardsman in Rampart High School. The body had a manual for a bunker's flood defense system. I put 2 and 2 together.
If the rumors about what's inside the reserve are true, wouldn't it benefit the Reclaim to get your hands on it?
You are absolutely correct. But once those supplies are gone, then what? The same old fruitless pursuits. And there is the very distinct possibility that the tower gets to it before we do. The only way to guarantee this city will move forward in the proper direction is to remove the reserve from the equation entirely.
No.
Why choose me to destroy the reserve?
Because you're the one best equipped to find the accursed place, and I trust you will do the right thing
J'ai envie de le
when you
tuer.
do. Call it a hunch.
I have some other questions for you, JB. I'm curious about the Reclaimed.
Yes?
What's with the gory rituals?
First one was a man I knew well in my brief tenure as a tower grunt. I'd even called him a friend. Trip was his name. Snuck up on me in the middle of sleep. Tried to slit my throat. Still carry the scar. Well, long story short, Trip was no match for me. I maimed him. Something awful, really. And I dragged his body about a mile all the way to the southern bump, which at the time was the most highly trafficked exit from the tower. I found an old oak, hung him upside down from it so his lifeblood would spill rapidly into the soil, and upon his chest I pinned a note that read, "Keep 'em coming." And just like that, I became the most feared boogeyman Nola has seen since the Axeman. Once I had fear on my side, the rest just blossomed naturally. Those with nowhere else to go wanted what I had, so they listened. And they learned. I empowered them. That's all people want. A sense that their lives still have some meaning.
I've heard snippets about the Reclaimed philosophy, but
It's simple, really. We want to live purposeful lives. Reclaim mere survival is so petty. It's beneath us, forcing people to focus solely on survival. It's cruel, really. I believe we must invest in a future of our own design. Life is not worth living otherwise.
the Reclaimed have made quite a mark on the city. How did the movement get started?
After my exile from the tower for insubordination, I took to raiding their supply lines. Rather efficiently, I might add. No one ever got hurt, and other exiles clamored to join my operations. Needless to say, Mama and her cohorts were not pleased with my exploits, and they sent several communications asking me to cease my pillaging or there'd be consequences. Of course, I refused. Politely. No one was going to dictate the terms of my existence anymore. But it wasn't until the tower started sending thugs out to track me down and end me that I decided it was time to send a message of my own.
I have some other questions for you, JB. I've heard enough.
Fair enough. Then we are finished here. The dial, as promised. Godspeed, tourist. A threat like this seems beneath me.
On va pas le tuer tout de suite, les gars.
Finally meet, tourist. After all the hype, you're not exactly what I expected. Thought you'd be more put together, bit more danger to your presence.
You know who I am. but I'm not sure I know who you are. I have a guess, but...
I'm Georgia. Maybe you heard of me, maybe not. I could give two shits. What does concern me is the man inside the building you just stepped out of. The time has come to silence him once and for all. Cut off the head that won't shut up. Rest of the reclaimed fools will fall back in line. Then us tower folk can get back to doing what's right, without all the noise.
From what I know about JB, it may take more than you and a couple of goons to take him down.
You a real smart-ass, tourist. I fucking love smart-asses. Especially when I've snipped the tongues out of their smart-ass mouths. But I'm willing to give you a pass on your smart-ass ways. Just this once. I'm gonna offer you an opportunity to be a hero. You game?
That depends. What the fuck do you want me to do?
Quit fucking with me, fool. You know what I want. March back up into that house and kill JB. Prove you are worth more to the tower than the cockroach you've been so far. And in return, all your fucked up transgressions will be forgiven. If you happen to find yourself in the midst of our onslaught on the reserve, tower troops will have your back. You have my word.
This is your conflict, not mine. I'm not a hired gun for the tower.
That's a goddamn shame, tourist. JB is not walking out of that place alive, whether you get involved or not. What you don't seem to realize, however, is your fate if you defy me. Let me clarify. Do as you are told, or you are dead.
On va aller le... Oui, on va le prévenir.
You've returned. To what do I owe the pleasure, tourist?
Tower troops are outside. They want you dead. I suggest you get out of here.
Well, look at you, tourist. Choosing sides. I suppose that's a good sign regarding our previous conversation. For a rogue spirit, you certainly have proven pivotal in the fight for the soul of this god-forsaken and still glorious city. I have no designs on escape. I plan to march right out of this house, gun drawn, and send a message. If you feel like joining me, I suggest you keep up. When it comes to violence, I am decisive and swift.
Oui, oui. Qu'est-ce qu'il fait?
Fucking pervert.
Il est mort. Eh ben.
The world is a much better place without that loudmouth JB blathering over the airwaves. Thanks for taking him out, tourist.
The world is a much better place without that loudmouth JB blathering over the airwaves. Thanks for taking him out, tourist. Thanks for taking him out, tourist.
Bon, moi je vais me barrer. Hein. On va voir à Casey, ils nous disent d'aller par là, Casey, donc c'est ce qu'on va essayer de faire. La carte. Le chien. Je sais pas si vous l'avez bien entendu, mais moi je l'ai très bien entendu. C'est ici. C'est bien ça. Ah là les gars, c'est chaud là, c'est que du sérieux les amis, c'est que du sérieux. Je peux pas vous le cacher, c'est que du sérieux. Allez, on va prévenir Casey, on va lui parler, on lui donne des nouvelles. Casey!
I'm back, Casey. Ready to repair the pump. You still alive?
Yeah, alive, but almost swimming. No turning back after this, tourist. We have to get after it. I'm running out of time. You prepared?
I'm ready.
Okay. Serial number first.
(749-0003-13).
All right. Set valve A to 38.
Valve A, 38. Green.
Ok.
Valve B needs to be set at 44.
Valve B, 44. A, B, double green.
You're a machine, tourist. Okay, valve C. Set it to 60.
60.
Valve C to 60. Green all around. Button press and we are calibrated.
Excellent. Okay. The last pump is not far from the cemetery. It's in a concrete industrial shed in the old jazz park, near the statue of the musicians. Should be easy to find. The key you got from May unlocks the door to the shed. Now, once the part is installed, contact me and I'll get the pump system started. We are so close, tourist. Access to the reserve for you. Get the fuck out of the reserve for me. Oh, can't wait.
Attendez. Ah, ok, ouais. Ouais, j'ai compris. En fait, la clé va se trouver dans le cercueil. C'est ça en fait. Allez-y, on va le chercher tout de suite. Toujours comme ça, May Beno. Allez, la clé.
Tourist, thank you, and goodbye. Maybe our paths will cross again. Maybe not.
Elle part.
Guess we'll just have to wait and see. Personally, I think you should follow us out of this doomed city. Like I said, you would be an asset to the Exodus. But you need to follow whatever story resides in your head. Just know that you are a part of my and Ambra's story, along with the stories of a couple dozen folks who might have been dead by the end of the week if it wasn't for your efforts. Ambra wanted to give you one more drawing. I think she hopes it'll sway your decision. Good luck. And I hope you find what you're searching for. May.
Mais il sait refaire. J'espère juste qu'il n'y a pas de zombies. Hey! Il est à l'intérieur. Attendez les gars, je vais manger un petit pour l'endurance. C'est quoi ce bruit? Y'a rien. On retourne. Allez. Il n'y a pas de zombies. Et on reprend tout.
Casey, come in. It's go time.
Awesome, tourist.
Allez.
Never doubted you.
That's good, Casey. It's a mistake to underestimate me.
Oh, believe me. I know. All right, I'm gonna power everything up. It should work, but you never know. Guess we need to be prepared for anything.
Eh oui.
Okay, here goes. Fingers crossed.
Oh non, j'espère qu'il y aura rien qui se passe.
Oh,
Mais c'est
yes!
bon.
It's working! What a fucking relief! I can hear the pumps firing up overhead.
Oh, fuck.
Wait, what? What's the problem? Something going on out there?
Ouais.
Yeah. St. Vincent's Church just lit up. You
Ouais.
can see it all the way from here. The location of the reserve is no longer a secret, Casey. Fireworks, marching band, and a big neon sign flashing the reserve might have been more subtle.
Oh.
Both sides are gonna descend on this place like flies on shit. I need to get the fuck out of here. Now. God damn it, tourist. I still can't open the door. Okay. Think, Casey, think. All right. I think I know what's going on. The doors won't open until the pump system knows where to redirect the water. Let's see. There's a manual flow control inside the church. Now, you need to get over here quick. Open the valve to one of the rooms so the water has a place to go. Then the doors will unlock, and I can get the hell out, tourist. Come on, please. Please. I don't want to be stuck in this place when a bunch of nuts with guns show up feeling greedy. And neither do you.
Ok. J'arrive tout de suite. Les gars, j'arrive tout de suite. Les gars, je me suis dit qu'il y a un truc bizarre qui se passe vers là-bas. Les gars, j'espère qu'il n'y aura rien qui se passe. J'espère rien là-bas. J'espère. Ouais, c'est ouvert. Bon les mecs, ça devient chaud. Ça devient chaud les gars. Oh là 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 là. Ah. Oh, qu'est-ce qui se passe? Bien évidemment, mon couteau il est où? Oh, les gars. Oh, c'est quoi ça? Oh là là.
I didn't want to die.
Hein?
Forgive me. Please.
What happened here?
Umbra. She ran after her mom as they were taking her away. Right into the middle of everything. The crossfire.
Where's Umbra's mother? Where's May?
I don't know.
Vas-y, dépêche-toi, je te tue.
She ran off. Into the shadows. We were desperate. To get back into the tower, we thought...
Allez, dépêche-toi.
We thought if we turned May in, Tower would take us back. Take care of us. We fucked up. I warned them. That was a terrible idea. Something bad would happen. They didn't listen.
Dépêche-toi.
We fucked up so bad.
You're forgiven.
Qu'est-ce que tu fais? Qu'est-ce que tu fais? أعوذ بالله من الشيطان. C'est qui ça? C'est May. Wesh. Allez. Moi je vais me parer. On s'en fout. On va aller directement... Putain. Ils font très peur là, c'est chiant.
Hey, beat it!
Mais les mecs, je vais faire comment?
Quit poking around!
Tu te prends pour qui toi?
Get the fuck out of here!
You're like a... You'll die!
Oh!
Not a strong enough word for you, tourist!
Ok. On va se soigner, on va se soigner. Allez. C'est cassé ce truc. Allez.
People go.
Allez. Je suis là. Casey. Il est où, Casey? C'est qui fait la guerre là? Allez. Oh.
We can't win this! Fucking tower's got us outnumbered!
We're dead if we don't fucking move! Fall back!
They're on the run! Move up now!
Trees! Towers everywhere!
Taurus, are you there?
Yes.
Taurus, come in. Time is short. Come on, Taurus, come on. Taurus, are you there?
Bah oui.
Taurus,
Je suis là.
come in. Time is short.
C'est ici?
Come on, Taurus, come on.
What?
Taurus, are you there? Taurus, come in. Time is short.
Comment?
Come on, Taurus, come on. Taurus, are you there?
I'm here, Casey. At the controls.
Oh, thank God. Okay, I'm not sure how much time we have left before my room is underwater. Activating the pumps fucked everything up. The room is filling up fast. Look, I need you to redirect the flood flow to the armory, and quick. Look, I know I promised you all the weapons you'd ever be able to carry, but I'm sorry. We have to let them go.
What happened with the pumps? I went through all that trouble for nothing?
I don't know what happened. Maybe the system was already pushed too far. Point is, you need to redirect the flow, and now, or I am dead. I know I sold you a bill of goods that I can't deliver on anymore, and that sucks. I'm sorry. But this is my life we're talking about here, tourist. Flood the armory. please.
C'est bon.
Oh, it worked! Holy shit! Thank you, tourist! Oh, for a second I thought... never mind. The door unlocked. I'll head up and meet you in the church. Fresh fucking air! Woohoo!
Establish a perimeter. Flush out any reclaimed stragglers. No mercy.
Round up exiles, clear out those camps. This is power punch now. Move the strays out.
Les gars, tout le monde commence à crier.
Who the fuck rang the bell? Shit! Heard it close.
Push him down.
Il est où, Casey? Non, et ça, il y a un bug.
Back off! Take one step toward me and I really ring the bell. Every walker in a 5-mile radius will descend upon this place and tear everyone apart.
You don't want to do that! Just because we're safe in here doesn't mean you can ring that bell and kill all those people. That you, tourist? Oh, thank God. Look, you have to talk some sense into her. If she rings that bell... Ding!
Bon les gars, attendez, je vais arrêter comme ça parce que j'ai presque plus de batterie. Ok.
You hear them out there? Needlessly slaughtering each other when they should be unified. They have always been stupid and cruel, even before the world went to shit. Their fucked up philosophies, their petty treachery, even the innocent, their pathetic desperation. They all twisted my priorities. What's done is done. I ain't got nothing left.
Oh non. Hey. Oh là là, la réserve les gars, la réserve elle est incroyable. Non. pas. Non. J'ai terminé. Oh. J'ai envie de pleurer là. C'est triste. Ah, c'est vraiment. Je peux même plus. Les amis, c'est fini, je crois. Non. On m'entend un petit peu. Ah. Je crois que j'ai appuyé sur Y là sans faire exprès, du coup. Ouais, je sais pas si ça s'est terminé ou pas. Attendez, c'est quoi ça? Ok. Oh. 1 week later. Ok. D'accord. Tell my items and workers to bring keep playing to see how many days you can.
AJ! Where the fuck are you, man? My legs. My fucking legs. You gotta find me. I can't even look at them. Don't have much left. Oh, Jesus. The cash is here. In Dana's auto shop, like you said. We scored. The reclaimed, I fucked them up good. But it cost me, man.
Benny.
Please. You have to find me. Save me. I can't hold on for long. Fucking hurry, man. I'm bleeding out. God damn it. Should have memorized that fucking map in the lumberyard office better. I don't want to die, man. Please come get me. Not much time left.
Ok les gars, il y a encore l'émission à faire, donc les amis, j'espère que cette vidéo va vraiment vous plaire et on continuera la prochaine fois.